So we are asked to find out what is the value of this resistance R. Now this question is a bit tricky. We are given the value of these two currents through the voltage source. Now first we will see what is the voltage across these 2 points. Say this point BA and this B. Now what is VAB? Now we can write the KVL here from here to here. Okay, that is, we have 100 volts. Here we have minus 40 volts. That is 60 volt appearing across this resistor R, and that is VAB. Now the information we need to find out the resistance is, if you know what is the current through this resistance R and we already have the voltage, we can find out what is the value of this resistance. Now to know that, we know that 10 ampere comes here, and now we must know what is this current and what is this current. For that we need the voltage here. Let's say this point B, say this, the voltage at this point be V. Now we will see what is the current here and here. For that we will write the KCL at this node. There is V by 2 current flowing downwards plus V minus 40 by 1 plus V minus 100 by 14 equal to 0. Solving this, we will get V equal to 30 volts. Now if V is 30 volts, that means the potential here is 30 volts. We can find out what is the current in this direction. That is V minus 100 by 14. That will be what will be that current? Minus 5 amps. That means the current in this direction is minus 5 amperes. We will enlarge it and see. Okay, that means the current here will be, that is IAB will be 10 amps coming here and minus 5 amps coming here. That means 10 minus 5, that will be 5 amperes. That is 5 amperes of current flowing through these R ohms. So we know the current across it and current through it and the voltage across it. So RAB or R is 60 by 5, that is 12 ohms. We can verify our result. If we have 30 volts here and 40 ohms here, that means this current will be 30 minus 40 by 1 ohm, that is minus 10 amperes. Minus 10 amperes coming here, 5 amperes coming here. So in total what will be this current? Minus 10 plus 5, that will be minus 5 amperes. So we know if 5 ampere current flows in this direction, by convention minus 5 amperes current should flow in the opposite direction. So this answer is correct.